So in this first short video you learn how to make a bar chart. So first of all, this is your notebook with all of the data in it for these examples. If you open example 1 by clicking on this little expanding icon and you double click data, now you open this window with the data in it. And we're going to be working with these two columns of data, column 6 and column 7, and you'll see here that there are various male mice and female mice, and these are their response times on the right hand side. Another way of depicting this data or arranging it in SigmaPlot is just to have a column for the males and a column for the females, but this data here is exactly the same as this data here, it's just arranged in a slightly different way. And to make a graph of this, you click on the Create Graph tab, click Bar, and then you can hover over these to see what they are. And what we're going to select here is vertical bar, error bars. When you open up the window, it will say here symbol values, and you just want to make sure that it says by category, comma mean. And then what we're going to specify is that we'd like our error bars to be a standard deviation above and a standard deviation below the mean. Now if you click on next, the appropriate data format for this is category, comma y, and I'll show you what that means. So first of all, you specify for categories, you say my category is in column 6, and then my y values are the response values, and you'll see exactly what this generates when we click finish. So this black and white graph just here is what it generates. That's rather dull, and so what you can do by clicking and changing things is you can add colour in. So for example, that's given a yellow outline, you can change the fill, and so what I'd encourage you to do is just play around with this, clicking on things and changing things so they look beautiful. And one example of something that's finished would be this.